Welcome back, guys. It's your girl, R-A-E-L-L. Wait, I'll spell my last name. Raylan, the Queen, not the Queen. So, you're probably wondering, why do I have some squishies right here in this big fat Easter basket? And you're probably wondering, why did I take my drawer out of my dresser? That's because I had a space left. And are you thinking what I'm thinking? Anyways, before we get into today's video, I got a challenge for you guys watching, not copying. If you could like and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified when I post a video in 5 seconds. No, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And if you did that challenge, go like my recent post on YouTube Shorts, though. YouTube Shorts, because this is a video. But otherwise, I'm not copying. She's just my favorite YouTuber, and plus, it's not copying, okay? Because guess what? I did 10 seconds, so period. I do not know why I have that. So, So, what is this? I'm not putting my dumplings on this. This is rusty. This is unacceptable. We could, in fact, let me go get some. Y'all are just gonna watch my duck. So, like, my duck is gonna watch y'all because y'all look weird and I don't want y'all to steal my squishies. Yeah, good duck. Good duck. Good duck. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Running like a river. Shut your mouth and running like a river. That's my dog. So, I am still a little sick, but it's just a runny nose cough. Oh my gosh. Now, we're going to have to do this like this. Because what the heck? I am not about to put my squishy and slimes in here and pop fidgets if it's like this. Oh, heck no. Travel pack. No one needs no stupid travel pack. How about you get a travel pack? So we're done cleaning. So we're just gonna leave the wipes right there for now. But now that it's clean, it's still a little dirty with stain spots. So we're just gonna put our slimes first. Oh, and while we're doing this, I'm just gonna go ahead and prove that I have 2 purple dumplings. Boom and boom. No, it's not AI. Because I don't even know that much. I'm just a worthless YouTuber that doesn't know anything and is pretty stupid, if you tell me. I think it's a pretty stupid YouTuber I'm talking about. And you want to know who's the stupid YouTuber? Me. Me, and me, and me, and me, and me, and me. So we got our glitter dumpling. Well, the new dumpling. Clock it. Clock it. No, I'm too bad and I'm getting lonely. A, period. Clock it. So, like, I want it to be really, really, really organized. Shamrock, shimmer, something like that. You know what I'm talking about. A YouTuber has it, but the blue, purple, and pink version. Shut your mouth and run it like a river. Shut your mouth and run it like a river. Shut your mouth and run it like a river. Shut your mouth and run it like a river. Shut your mouth and run it like a river. Guys, I think I'm just gonna have a row for all my dumplings to go in. I have 3 dumplings. So, I'm just basically gonna put them like this because 3 dumplings could fit right here. Perfect! Slay body. Don't tell me I'm too bad and I'm getting lonely. Our tiny squishies, we could just fit right there. Guys, this is not a fidget or a squishy. I know, our slime. But it just feels so sad. I mean, it sounds so satisfying. So, it's a squishy. Toss it right up in there. I know I'm stupid. I'm a stupid, ugly YouTuber. No one cares about me. I'm pretty much done for my life. Shut your mouth and run like a river. 'Cause you're not that ugly. Not that ugly. I knew it. I knew it. Butter squishy. Of course, we're obviously going to put that on top of our dumplings because that's my second favorite. Besides the dumpling. Oh. Shut your mouth and run it like a river. Shut your mouth and run it like a river. Shut your mouth and run it like a river. I was about to say we don't have that many, like, small squishies, but we really do. Like, really, really do. 2 chicken Easter emojis. I don't know how to say them, but emojis, pink and yellow. So we're going to put it right there on top of our dumplings. Because you know, I really miss you. But you weren't there for me, so I'm not going to be there for you. And I'll come back when I feel sad. And thinking about all the emojis I thought we had. And never could never be sad. Thinking all about all the things that we had. And never could. It's low-key kind of good that we could fit everything over here. Because guess what? We got one more squishy left. What is that? If you guessed the duck, you're right. Period, boo. Period. Period. Where am I? Oh, got this little fidgets thingy. Oh. Kinetic sands. That's a type of slime, y'all, if y'all don't know. But shut your mouth and run it like a river. Wow, this video is 9 minutes. I can't believe I'm about to post 3 videos in one day, y'all. It's about to be so crazy. But I'm also going to start giving y'all options on what my video should be. And whichever one gets the most votes, I'm probably going to do that one. But there is obviously going to be a second place winner. Clock it. There's going to be a second place winner, okay? Okay, there's going to be a second place winner. So, y'all, this is all my squishes. Period. I'm sure I have more. I do have one right here, but it's in a book that I love. God is love. God is love. God is love no matter what. God is love no matter what. Bye bye. Peace out.